Installation Guide of Fagor 8025 LCD Replacement Kit. Before starting any installation, safety comes first. Make sure the machine is powered off and disconnected from the main breaker. CRT removal. Turn off your machine and the main power breaker. Unscrew the HMI panel, unplug the communication and power cables. Remove the thumb screws and carefully take out the I/O card. Remove the 4 nuts securing the CRT monitor. Open the back cover and unplug the power cable. Unscrew the front cover. Remove the 2 nuts on the hinge and take off the PCB and selection switch. Unplug the user control cable and video cable. Now, remove the video circuit board, then carefully remove the old CRT monitor. LCD installation. Reattach the hinge bracket using the original nuts. Install the PCB and selection switch onto the new LCD front panel. Connect the overlay cable. Reconnect the user control cable. Reconnect the video cable to the appropriate connector. Attach the ground wire to C13, or alternatively to JP5 or JP6. You have 2 power connection options. Option 1, MAP307. Cut the red wires connected to the fuses. Strip, crimp, and connect to MAP307, including the GND wire. Option 2, MAP302. Simply plug the connector into a receptacle, extension cord, or power bar. Setup and calibration. Turn on the system. Use the 3 buttons on the back of the LCD to access the menu. Use menu to select items, and left or right to adjust values. And now you're done. Visit monitech.com to learn more.